Imagine your child confidently reading and writing in English. That's precisely what our Grade 1 English course offers. This course lets young learners build a solid foundation in language skills. Designed for kids, it's engaging and easy to follow. Students will explore 12 lessons focused on early literacy skills. They'll learn consonant letters and sounds, and vowel sounds too. They will also blend sounds to read simple words. Children will practice reading short passages to enhance comprehension. The course helps improve communication skills too. Each lesson includes fun practice activities to reinforce learning. Daily quizzes check students' understanding and boost confidence. Parents can track progress to see improvement over time. This ensures learning is effective and engaging. By the end, learners will read simple words and sentences. They will understand short stories and express their ideas clearly. This course makes learning English enjoyable and enriching. It's perfect for Grade 1 students starting their reading journey, needing extra support, or enhancing their skills. Join us today and watch your child's language skills flourish. Visit LearnersGain to enroll now.